Sinterit, simplicity of professional 3D printing. Taking out the print and cleaning it. Before using the device, it is highly recommended to read the full printed version of the user manual. After finishing the printing process, wait for the printer to cool down. The current temperature inside the printer is displayed in the Temp tab. It is impossible to open the lid if the temperature in the tank is higher than 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait until the printer cools to below 50 degrees Celsius. But even when the temperature is around 50 degrees Celsius, refrain from cleaning the print until it fully cools. For cooling, open the printer, move the printer bed up, and leave the print for approximately an hour. Moving up the print bed, go to the Mechanics tab on the display and move the print bed upward. Depending on the print height and the location of the elements, the print bed should be positioned at the height calculated by the program. This way, the bed plate's bottom should be positioned at the tank height. Before taking out the part cake and cleaning the print, put on gloves and a mask. Taking the part cake out. Before taking the print out, empty the overflow bin in order to make room for future cleaning of the printer. There are two spatulas for taking out the cake, a large one and a small one. Position the small spatula between the cake and the printer's wall. Place the large spatula on a feed bed and in a sliding motion, sweep the cake. It is recommended to clean the cake in a place where the unbaked powder will be easy to collect, for example, a print form included in the set. Cleaning the print. Clean the print using the tools included in the set. The print should be cleaned as precisely as possible, as the recovered powder may be later refreshed and used for future printing purposes. Finally, the print should undergo sandblasting. Recovering the powder. Gather the powder using tools included in the set and transfer it to the printing form with the rest of the powder. A portion of the powder is located in the overflow bin. Take out the overflow bin and transfer the powder gathered in it into the form with the previously used powder. Sometimes, some powder may collect beneath the overflow bin. Remove it so that the overflow bin may be replaced properly. The remaining powder should be grinded down. In order for the powder to be suitable for reusing, mix it with fresh powder, which quantity is calculated by the Sinterit Studio. For measuring the powder, use the measure included in the set. Sifting the powder. Next, we can start to sift the powder. The sifting process is greatly facilitated and automated by the sieve, which is also available in our offer.